Hello guys, so if you're looking how to link your Twitch account to your Amazon account, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, for doing that, all you have to do is just simply go to a browser and type in Amazon and log into your Amazon account. Now after doing that, just simply go to Prime Gaming. So you can do that by going over here and clicking this arrow icon. For opening the Prime Gaming, all you have to do is just simply click over here if it is showing Prime Gaming, or just simply in the main screen click on these arrow icons until you find the Prime Gaming like this. Or what you can do is just simply type in Prime Gaming, just simply type in Prime Gaming and open your Prime Gaming account, and it will be the same account that is already linked with your Amazon account. So click on sign in and log in with your normal Amazon account. So just simply log in with your normal Amazon account. So after logging in Prime Gaming, all you have to do is simply click on your account, then go to support, then click on Prime Gaming. Now the first link you will find is link your Amazon and Twitch account. So click on it, then scroll down and click on Prime Gaming your Twitch account. Just simply click on this link, and now over here it will redirect you to the page where you can link your Twitch account. So click on connect your Twitch account. Now after that, it will redirect you to the Twitch page where you can connect your account. So choose your account, then click confirm. So that's how you can connect your Twitch account. But make sure to firstly sign in and log into your Twitch account, because without that it will not happen, and it might ask your Twitch ID and password while you are connecting your account. So make sure to log in into your Twitch account before linking your Amazon to Twitch. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.